I was having a serious craving, so I made mango sticky rice at home. Let's do it. Rinse your rice. Just put a little bit of water into my bowl, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge overnight, just kind of like soak. I don't know where we found this, but it is a tiny pink rice cooker. Add in some salt. Water just to cover the rice. Lid. And then plug that sucker in. This tiny little bubba. Now I'm gonna make like a really beautiful, sweet, creamy coconut sauce to pour over the mango and sticky rice. 1 can of full fat coconut milk. I'm just gonna place it right here next to my chicken soup. Let it simmer a little bit, and then we're gonna add in a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken it up. So excited. Bring it to a simmer, let it just kind of like reduce a little bit and thicken. Beautiful ripe mango. Nothing more awkward than slicing a mango pit. Now we're rocking and rolling. I'm gonna eat this frickin' bowl. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why is that so good?